Hello everyone, welcome to the 14th part of our Blender tutorial series. In this exercise, we would be creating a book with text on the cover. Let us simply use our default cube, press Shift A, Mesh, Cube. Now let's press S and X to scale in X-axis. And also press S and Z to increase a little size in Z-axis. Go to Edit mode and choose Face Select and choose the 3 areas where the paper should be visible. Hold on Shift key while you are clicking. Now let's use Inset by pressing I key. Here it doesn't look good at the edges. It's because Inset and Bevel are affected by scaling. So we should first go to Object mode. We will just undo this. Go to Object mode and click here on the little icon. Or you can also press N key on the keyboard. Choose item. And here under scale, you can see that X, Y and Z are having different values and they are not in uniform manner. Press Ctrl A and select scale. Now you can see that the values under scale have been changed to uniform. Now let's go back to edit mode, and now you can press I key and move your mouse to make a perfect book. Now let us extrude the book portion a little inwards. Press E, and now if you move your mouse, it's not going well. You cannot use just the normal extrude. Right click to skip changes. Come here. Over extrude region, long press and choose extrude along normals. Now just click on the yellow icon and move your mouse slightly. Now we are able to create a lookalike a lot more like a book. Now let us add some title. Go back to object mode. So press Shift A and choose text. Now our text has been created. Press Tab to edit the text. Press backspace to delete the text. You can enter any name. I will just enter my book. Press Tab key to confirm and press R to rotate, X to rotate in X-axis, and type in 90. Then again press R to rotate and Z to rotate in Z-axis and type in 90 and press enter. Now you can scale the text to fit on the book. Press S to scale. Let's move the text to somewhat middle of the book. Press G to grab and Y to move in Y direction. Move to the middle. Left click to confirm. If we move it, we could see that the text is inside the book as it is on the axis. So to bring it above the book, click on the book and enable snap. Press on snapping and choose base. Now select your text, press G to grab and X to move in X-axis. Now move the text towards the book. Now the text will not be going inside the book. Now let us change some geometry to text. Go to Object Data Properties and change the extrude value here. Let's add a few. This adds a little elevation to the text, and this is one way you can make a book using default cube.